This is CUBOT P50, and today we would like to demonstrate how you can download and install the Opera browser on it. First of all, you need to launch the Google Play Store. Next, at the search bar, type in Opera. Once the needed app is found, click on this green install button and wait for the Opera to get downloaded and installed respectively. Alrighty, now we can go ahead and launch the Opera, as well as set it up. So in here, you gotta tap on the blue continue button. Next, decide whether some of the options will be enabled from the start. I'll enable ad blocking, enable checker blocking, and skip setting Opera as my default browser step. And finally, there is this page that allows you to customize and personalize the accesses and permissions that are going to be granted to Opera. I'll simply allow everything that it needs. And that will be it. So thank you so much for watching, and bye-bye.